everyone, welcome to my channel and welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm going to share with you one of my recent favorite journaling technique that I'm obsessed with currently, and I started it in January 2022 and it's like being 3 months now that I am into it, so I thought it will be a great idea to share it with you guys. And that technique is called scripting manifestation through law of attraction, or if you put it in just one single word, it's called scripting. So I got to know about scripting in January and I found the concept very interesting and I started learning about it and practicing more of it. But it took me a while to share it with you guys because I want to build that trust and confidence, and I wanted to share the proper in-depth knowledge about the scripting technique. So finally here it is. So in today's video we are going to discuss about what is scripting and why you should start scripting, how to manifest your dream life using the scripting method, and lastly how to get started with scripting, which is going to be a very helpful guide if you are a complete beginner. But before that, if you are new to my channel, my name is Esha, and in this channel you will find lots of contents on planning, productivity and home management. So if this interests you, then please make sure to hit the red subscribe button and also the notification bell button so that you get notified every Monday at 11 AM with my new video. Now let's get started with today's video. So let's get the basic clear first, that is, what is scripting? Scripting is basically a powerful law of attraction writing technique where you describe your life as if you already have what you wish to manifest. So suppose, for example, if you are studying right now to get a job and you want to manifest your dream job by the end of 2022, then your manifestation scripting would look like: I am so happy to receive my appointment letter. All my hard work and consistency has paid off. Now I can call myself financially independent and I'm so excited to work in my new office and make new experiences. So in very simple language, scripting is writing down your goals and dreams in present tense as if you have already achieved it. It's kind of a written form of visualization. So instead of closing your eyes and visualizing your dream life, you are just using the scripting journaling technique to jot down your dream life in details. Yes, detailing and being present is very important in scripting. Writing down your goals and your dreams in details allows you to get specific about what you want to manifest and how it feels like after you achieve those goals. Do you want to get into a new job? Describe how your first salary excites you. What are you going to do with your first paycheck? Do you want to buy your new home? Then describe how you have set up and organized each and every corner of your home. Do you want your perfect soulmate? Then describe how your life would be with your partner. Do you want to go to your dream destination? Then write down about what are all the things that you are going to do there. Scripting can be done for everything in your life, whether it is small or big. You can even choose to write down and visualize about your next day, about how you want your next day to look like. So journaling gives you the freedom to choose any areas of your life that you want to manifest about. So I hope the word scripting is clear to you. Now let's talk about how it works, how you can use the scripting technique to manifest your dream life, and how law of attraction plays such a vital role in the whole process. So the law of attraction states that like attracts like, which means whatever thoughts or emotions we are focusing on, we exactly attract that in our life. So for example, if you think I have a monotonous life, that means you are focusing on being monotonous and attracting that more into your life. If I think that my videos are getting lesser views than what I have anticipated, then I'm focusing more on getting lesser views and attracting that more into my life. On the contrary, if I feel I love interacting with my YouTube community, this way I'm giving importance and attention towards my community, and this way the universe will send me more of that. So this is how the law of attraction works. Wherever your energy flows, your attention goes there. The law of attraction responds to the thoughts you think, the word you speak, and the emotions you feel. It focuses on your energy and your vibration. Yes, everything in this universe have their own vibration, including you. When you have good thoughts, you feel good and everything around you brightens up automatically, which is what helps you to raise your vibration. On the other hand, if we have negative thoughts, our vibration decreases. So the question arises, how do I raise my vibration so that I can manifest faster? It's when scripting manifestation comes into the picture. So let's move on to the step-by-step process of getting started with scripting. All you need is a journal, your favorite pen, and 5 to 10 minutes from your day to start scripting. That's it. Scripting in present tense can make a huge difference in manifesting your dreams. You must write down your goals or your dreams as if you have already achieved it. Why? Simply because the universe gives back to you that which you are the vibration of. You have to avoid terms like I want to, or I wish to, or if I had this I would have done this kind of a sentence. So to make my point more clear, instead of writing I want to get a new job, write I finally got a new job. If you start your scripting with I want to, then you are already telling the universe that you don't have it and you are attracting that void more into your life. So always write in present tense. I hope I made my point clear. Before starting your scripting exercise, clear your mind. Take a deep breath and reflect on the things you already have. Start with gratitude. If your thoughts and feelings come from a place of gratitude and you are truly grateful for all the good things in your life, then the universe will let you attract more things to be grateful for in your life. So always start your scripting exercise with some gratitude. So the best thing about scripting is you can choose anything to write about. It is not time specific. You can choose to write about your next day or your dream destination wedding or about your upcoming week or even your life after retirement. You can visualize and manifest about your dream life, your dream job, your dream life partner, your dream home. The list is endless. You can manifest about everything in your life. So after you are done with the gratitude section, choose a topic to write about, to manifest about, and visualize your future self and start scripting. I will definitely share with you some scripting exercise in my future videos if you guys are interested. So comment down below whether you want more videos on scripting manifestation or not. If I see you guys are interested, then I will definitely make more videos on this particular topic. Now moving on to the next point. One important thumbnail about scripting is the more detailed you can write down, the more powerful your manifestation will be. This is an exercise of visualization, so try to get into that zone and visualize and write down as much details as possible about your manifestation. So suppose if you are manifesting your first day at your job, then write down about what are you wearing, what emotions are you feeling, how was your day, what are you seeing, smelling, touching, eating, everything. Try to bring your imagination into your life. While scripting, don't forget to feel amazing. Let yourself sink into those feelings as you write. Also, one more important note here, always write down about what you want to happen and not about what you don't want to happen. For example, if you write, I don't want to fall sick on my exam days, that means you are giving thought of being sick on your exam days for at least once, and this way you are attracting more of it. So always use positive sentence while scripting. This is the law of attraction again. If you focus on what you don't want in your life, you will attract back more of it unwillingly or unknowingly. A small disclaimer here, your manifestation scripting should be something which is practically possible. It can be far-fetched but not superficial. It must definitely align with your present action plan. So now before wrapping up my video, I will read out one portion from my scripting journal so that you can get some ideas about everything I explained. So I have scripted about hitting 10k subscriber milestones by this year, and I will just read it out, but please don't judge me. This is just my manifestation and I am putting my actions every single day to achieve that. So yes, take it with a pinch of salt. They say the harder you work for something, the greater you will feel when you achieved it. True indeed. Today I hit 10k subscribers on YouTube. I am so happy. I can't express in words. The feeling is so satisfying when your hard work is recognized and appreciated. I am going to celebrate this wonderful moment with my YouTube fam and my family. Thank you everyone. So yeah, that's all for today's video. This video was very theoretical, I know, but in case if you are interested in starting with scripting, manifestation, scripting, journaling, then I will be more than happy to make more videos on this topic. So definitely share your feedback in the comment section so that I get to know about it. And if you like this video, if you feel that you are into law of attraction, then please like this video, share it with your friends, your siblings, your family. And if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe to my channel, press the notification bell button so that you get notified every Monday with my new video at 11 a.m. Also, you can follow me and connect with me on my Instagram handle. This is my Instagram handle, Plan with Aisha, and I make lots of planning and YouTube related update content here. So definitely go ahead, follow me there. And yeah, I will see you super soon with a new video next Monday. Till then, keep smiling. Bye bye.